Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card account on FNBO Bank. So let's get started by the way. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in card.fnbo.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for FNBO. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed towards logging into your account, and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your card account with FNBO. Once you are logged in, you can simply look for the cancel card button and click on it and proceed forward to cancel your card. If you don't find this button, simply click on Contact Us at the top right corner of your homepage. And now you can use the numbers that you see on the screen to talk to a representative. Once you have someone to answer your call, you can simply let them know that you wish to cancel your card, and they will be happy to assist you in letting you know through the steps to cancel your card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your card on FNBO Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.